Log into IONOS. Go to ionos.com and access your domains in SSL. Select your domain DNS settings. Add or change the A record. Delete any existing A record pointing to an old IP. Add a new A record, FOV, or leave host blank. Points to Shopify's IP 23.227.38.65. Add or change the CNAME record. Edit the www CNAME www.points2shops.myshopify.com. Don't add HTTPS, just the domain. Save changes. Can take 48 hours to propagate. Connect in Shopify admin, settings, domains. Connect existing domain. Enter your domain, e.g. example.com. Click Next. Shopify automatically verifies the A record and www CNAME. Set as primary, optional. Once verified, click Set as primary so your store loads on the root domain and www. Enable SSL, free via Shopify. After DNS propagates and domain is connected, tick Enable SSL in Shopify. You'll get a free Let's Encrypt certificate.